Numerous attempts were made by Hindustan Aeronautics in order to convince the European defence manufacturer MBDA to allow the integration of Meteor system into India's upcoming 83 TejasMK1A fighter jet. Reports indicate that India might integrate the TejasMK1A fighter jets with the indigenous Astra air-to-air system and the extended range variant of the Israeli I-Derby system. The I-Derby extended range variant is manufactured by Israeli defense contractor Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, and this 100 km range air-to-air system is fitted with a fire-and-forget guidance system and a software-defined radar seeker. It is powered by a dual-pulse solid rocket motor, and it can reach top speeds of Mach 4. The I-Derby extended range is a multi-purpose system, as it can also be integrated on the 18 Israeli Spider air defense systems operated by the Indian Air Force. According to latest media reports, the Indian Navy is planning to buy 15 naval drones to perform surveillance and reconnaissance roles at sea. The Indian Navy has issued a request for information on 24 February and has sought responses from interested global firms within 4 weeks. The procurement will be made under the Make in India category of the Defence Procurement Procedure, and the first system would be delivered within 12 months from the date of signing of contract, which will be followed with one system every month. Hindustan Aeronautics is looking at setting up logistics bases in Malaysia, Vietnam, Indonesia and Sri Lanka as part of initiatives to offer the countries to buy India's Tejas light combat aircraft and military helicopters. The chairman and managing director of Hindustan Aeronautics has said that India is considering to build logistics bases in these 4 countries as they use a number of Russian-origin military aircraft and helicopters, which have a poor serviceability record. 4 persons were booked yesterday for spying under the Official Secrets Act, after they clicked photos of a radar system at an Air Force station in Kutch district bordering Pakistan. The 4 persons were intercepted by personnel of the Indian Air Force while they were taking photographs of the prohibited area, and they were later handed over to local police authorities. Photographs of the sensitive defense area, mobile phones and a camera were recovered from their possession. As per latest media reports, the Chinese Air Force has intensified fighter jet training for pilots. A Chinese military expert has said that China has started to train more pilots with advanced aircraft, as more fighter jets are being commissioned by the Air Force. He also said that the new JL-10 is not just a trainer, and it can also target land bases, and it also has the potential to be developed into a carrier-borne fighter trainer. The Indian Foreign Secretary had met the Russian envoy yesterday, and they discussed the upcoming high-level engagements between India and Russia. Russian Deputy Prime Minister is expected to visit India in March to hold a joint commission meeting with the Indian Foreign Minister. Prime Minister Modi will also arrive in Moscow in May this year, on the invitation of Russian President Vladimir Putin for the Victory Day celebrations.
Omar dropped it.